How to manage entertainment notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage entertainment notifications on Google Mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile picture here in the top corner and then click settings and now click this one, notifications, and then you will find this one again, notifications. Click on it and here just go down and you will find this one here, entertainment. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see, entertainment has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just one click, and that's it. It's easy, of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.